A run-hungry Subramaniam Badrinath has been the mainstay of the Tamil Nadu batting since the mid-2000s and has also captained them. Badrinath stands tall at the crease and plays with the correct technique. He was pitchforked into the national consciousness in 2005 to 2006 when he nearly topped the batting charts, scoring 636 runs from 7 matches at almost 80. Missing pole position by 36 runs to Amol Majumdar, who played one match more. In comparison, 2006 to 2007 was not as spectacular, but Badrinath managed 436 runs at almost 50. An excellent fielder at point and elsewhere in the circle, Badrinath began as a grafter, something quite rare at a time when strokemakers ruled, and expanded his repertoire of strokes as he gained experience. In 2007 he piled on the runs for India A on their tours to Zimbabwe and Kenya, and in the home series against South Africa A. In October he was called up to the ODI squad for the last 3 one-days against Australia, though he did not get a game. He was dropped for the series against Pakistan that followed. He shrugged off the disappointment by performing well in the 2007 to 2008 Ranji Trophy season, scoring 659 runs at 65.90. After being ignored for 10 months, he was named as Sachin Tendulkar's replacement for the Sri Lanka ODIs and impressed in his first appearance, showing sound technique against the spinners to see India through to a tense win. He made it to the Test squad for Australia's 2008 to 2009 tour of India, but didn't get his debut. However, a series of injuries to the Indian middle order handed Badri a Test debut in Nagpur more than a year later, at the age of 29. He was off the radar after a couple of tests, but another year of heavy run-getting in both the Ranji Trophy and the IPL earned him a spot on the one-day leg of the West Indies tour in 2011. Subramaniam Badrinath debuted in Test cricket against South Africa at Nagpur on 6 February 2010. His last Test match was also against South Africa at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, on 14 February 2010. He debuted in ODI cricket against Sri Lanka at Dambulla on 20 August 2008. His last ODI match was against West Indies at North Sound on 13 June 2011. Subramaniam Badrinath's only T20 international match was against West Indies at Port of Spain on 4 June 2011. There is not much to talk about Subramaniam Badrinath's international statistics, as he scored only 63, 79, and 43 runs in Test, ODI and T20 international respectively. His first-class, List A and T20 records were completely contrasting as compared to international statistics. Subramaniam Badrinath played 145 first-class matches, 216 innings, and scored 10,245 runs with a fantastic batting average of 54.49. He has 32 centuries in his kitty. In List A cricket, Subramaniam Badrinath scored 4,164 runs from 144 matches with an average of 36.84. He hit 6 centuries in List A cricket. Subramaniam Badrinath's T20 record is also good. He played 142 T20 matches and scored 2,300 runs with a good strike rate of 112.74.